Good morning, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. तो आज हम बंगाली एंड इंग्लिश एंड ये मिक्स करके ही हम बात करेंगे एंड हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे. सो तीनों भाषा को हम प्रयोग करेंगे सो दैट एवरीबडी इज़ ऑन द सेम पेज. नाउ निफ्टी আমাদের পড়ে আসছে, এটা আমাদের সামনে একটা নিফটি চার্ট এবং এই নিফটি চার্টে দেখছি মার্কেটে এখন প্যানিক আছে যে 1 2 3 4 পরপর 5 দিন আমাদের নিফটি পড়েছে. এবং আমরা যখন শুক্রবারে এই যে লাস্ট ফ্রাইডে when we started, it actually has completely bearish tendency. তো যা ঘটে তো গেছে. So আমরা will show the trade using our software and what is our view for Nifty. So this is a Nifty chart you can see here. Now এই চার্টটায় ये चार्ट हम क्या देख रहा है ये चार्ट को निफ्टी में. So what we have to do is, first of all we are seeing that Nifty was in a uptrend. Now the question is, ये अपट्रेंड क्या ख़त्म हो गया और अभी भी चल रहा है? ऐसे हम लोग 5 दिन देख के तो लग रहा है ख़त्म हो गया है. बट नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू सम ट्रिक्स so that you can take a decision. Now, according to me, Nifty will bounce back heavily. It is going to be heavily bullish. Heavily bullish, mind the word. Why? First of all, हम আমরা দুটো তিনটে জিনিস দেখব, 2-3 चीज़ हम देखेंगे कि अब देखिए ये वाला जो गैप है, आई एम ड्राइंग ए लाइन हियर, जस्ट हाइपोथेटिकल लाइन, एंड यू विल बी अमेज्ड दैट दिस गैप इज़ ए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गैप. तो पहली वाला तो चीज़ है कि निफ्टी ये गैप की सपोर्ट में है एंड सपोर्ट में आके इट हैज़ गिवन, ये क्या है, it has given a this particular candle, it has given a green candle, that is bullish candle first of all. So gap में first of all bullish candle दिया. Second thing, if I look at a Fibonacci retracement, if I go for a Fibonacci retracement, you can see that Nifty is on the gap and it is on 618 support. That is this is why the Fibonacci retracement is coming. So at this level you have a Fibonacci retracement 618 level. So मेरा 2 support मिल गया. Third, according to the Gann theory, you see यहाँ से अगर ये हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेगा, if you look at this, Nifty has completed an 100% what you say price and time squaring. So you might not be able to know much about it, but just watch what I am seeing and what I am doing. So therefore यहाँ जो ये से I am just changing the color of this line so that you can see it properly. So this is a very important funda of Gann time squaring, where Nifty has completed one time cycle. Once it is completing a time cycle, at the time cycle you have at the very time cycle you have a window support. First of all, this is one support. Second thing is this was a 618 support. Third is a Gann time squaring support, and fourth is your green candle. So that means the chart is shouting that I am going to blast upward, as simple as that. And if you also look at this, the RSI has also turned up. So it was coming down previously, and the RSI, it is a special setting, so you just leave it like this. So RSI has come down and then it has turned up. So all this are actually pointing out Nifty might go for a blast. Okay, so tomorrow if we draw a line here and above the high of this candle, that is above the high of 14,788, Nifty is going to be unstoppable. This is a quality, simple thing, this is the quality of our analysis. Okay, So let's move on to our trade. What we did in Friday as usual, using our own software. Now this is the usual stock show setup. You get stock show and golden ride, and obviously and this Sun Father is not part of our basic software. Okay, I will tell you what to do. So when we have traded Reliance, this was on 19th, right? So day started from here. This was the first candle. So इसमें कैसे हमने ट्रेड किया है? Okay, now we did nothing because Nifty was falling, and we have not actually was confident most of the stocks were on sideways or falling. So you are just waiting because we know that this Nifty is not bearish, it's a trap. So what we have done is, this is the naked chart. Now let us switch on our software. First, our famous stock show setup. This software is now, once you এই সফটওয়্যারটা যখন আমি চালু করলাম, তখন দেখুন আমরা যখন বিনা সফটওয়্যারে আমরা কিছু বুঝতে পারছিলাম না যে কোন জায়গা দিয়ে এন্ট্রি নেব। নাও সফটওয়্যার আমাদের প্রথম জিনিস কি করলো, যে এখানে একটা ডায়মন্ড ক্যান্ডেল দিল, কিন্তু মার্কেটটা যেহেতু পড়ছিল, ইট ওয়াজ ফলিং, we have not taken any trade because on the back of our mind we were bullish. So this our golden road and stock show road, and if you look at this golden road, it was also flat, so therefore it was not tradable. So what we are actually waiting, we were waiting for green candle, a green diamond. So once we have got the first green diamond, we have not entered. Why? Because at this particular juncture, if you look at this, from here to here it is flat. So I need a rising rising trend. The black line should have been rising. So therefore we got first candle, first diamond. Once we have got the second diamond within a gap of 3-4 candles, now we got activated. We entered into the trade at this particular level, at this particular pink candle, this particular pink candle, this one. So the price was about 2020, yeah, 2020, because first of all this is a diamond, second is this is a double diamond, third is it was rising, it has started rising. So we thought this is the best place to buy, and then we just click, switch off this software, you will not understand anything. This is a software guided trade. So we entered here, right, to 2021, and then, and what was the time? It was about 1:30. So therefore then we started, we did nothing, we are actually riding the trade. Now what happened is, it started rising, Nikala satisfied, slope satisfied, because here at this particular level slope was not proper. So slope satisfied. So all this confirmation, we have taken one lot of Reliance at 2020, and then we started, it has started rising brilliantly. And once we get a special candle, our students know this is a pink candle, this is a black candle, and this is a very special candle which is a reversal sign. And then we also got computer assisted signals here. Look, I have not done anything. Only thing is I am just following my signals. Once it has come down, it's a key reversal signal, and then on the next candle, we got out. So therefore we could not ride 2093. We have actually exited at this particular level of 2085. So how much money we have got? See, Reliance 2085 we have exited, minus 2021 we have entered. You have 64 points into 250 lots only. We got 16,000 straight 16,000 rupees. So therefore, and this is a risk-free trade. This is a very scientific process. And once you are aware of this Sun and Father, this will make your trade more interesting. Why? So we have already seen how how this your Stochastic ride has held. So let's close the Stochastic ride, and then you see once the Stochastic ride has given a signal, are you seeing one thing? Are you seeing that RSI has crossed 60 here at this level? So therefore this is the level. So I got fifth confirmation here, and it is this is a strength, and where your your this is a son father and grandfather technique. So all the RSIs are on the rising side with the Reliance. Your sector is also I think this sector, this we have not selected. This we have selected Bank Nifty here, right? So let me change the sector also. This is sector is CNX Energy. So once we also select the sector, this has the ability to really show everything in one chart. So once a sector is also favorable, you get more confidence. But even if you don't look at this, you have the ability to really take a good trade. You see the sector is rising. Sector of course now it has gone flat because others are at this particular level. When you entered, we also had a squeeze breakout. So therefore everything is favorable and we got the money. Okay, now I will also tell you to take the help of even scanners. And why Reliance, why not other stocks? Because Reliance appeared in our scanner. Now this is the basic software, and we have a very advanced software which I will show you here. This is the mother of all software, and this is a little bit expensive. So let me first of all show you how we traded in ICICI Bank. Now we all knew that the stock was coming down. Okay, so this is on 19th we started off from here. Stock had actually gapped down, and what happened is after gap down it was gone in sideways to non-tradable zone. Why? Let us now, I will take two indicators, CA Saurabh Zoom trend. This software actually tells you the automatically it draws significant trend line. I don't have to do anything. So therefore you exactly know where you are exactly located as far as the trend line is concerned. And I also have a Stochastic version 7. This is the mother of all software, I said. And this software, once we click, you will see you have got few lines here. Okay, so basically once you are here at this level, okay, you gap down, you did nothing. Okay, now you did nothing, that is all right. And then what happens is the stock went into sideways. Let me also so open a special father son technique, which actually guides me when we are going to get a very big blast. Okay, so now we have switched on all the softwares. So without softwares, if you see, you will not be able to do anything. So this is our mother software, this is the supplemented software trend, and this is additional powerful signal of RSI and all those combinations. So at this level we have not done anything. We are waiting for a good trade, because once this Kumo line, if you look at this Kumo line was negative, so I will never take a trade on the buy side. I will not do. Okay, I will do it. There are certain guidelines. So this is not tradable at the moment. So we waited till, and it is also on sideways. If you look at these movements, these are all sideways movements. So therefore I will not be able to trade here at all. Okay, now, and even if you are trying to trade, nothing is going to fructify. And it was the plus signs are all these are all squeeze. So therefore in a tight squeeze you don't trade. So you are waiting for Nikala to satisfy, and also the slope. Now if you see, this slope is flat to negative. Okay, we have entered our trade when first of all, when we got this first signal, this signal is generated by what? This signal is generated, this is switch off, this is generated by trend. though now my trend has changed. First confirmation, because without trend is your friend. Without trend, you don't get anything. This is the point where we should buy. Okay. Next, our Nikala. This is a Nikala type band, but this is even more powerful compared to Nikala. So once the trend has bended here, and the price was, this was actually the cloud, it was, price was above cloud. What we did is we bought one lot of ICI. See, once we have bought it about here. Why? Because once the trend changes, it comes down, stock comes down to retest. So therefore, when the retest is fulfilled, it has not touched, and the Nikala has also satisfied. We have entered the trade at about 578, 579. Okay. Now once we have entered the trade at 579, we were just waiting, and at this particular level, if you see, this is a special YOLO signal. If you see the YOLO signal here, this has got a special meaning, because it had crossed a very long term crossed up a very long term resistance. That's YOLO resistance, and the stock closed here. So therefore, what we have done is, we have first initially booked a profit about where, at this price, when the candle was almost closing during the day, we closed about here. Okay, 586. So therefore, we have actually entered at 578 here, about 578, and 584 we have exited. So 584 minus 578 equal to 6 rupees into 1375 lot. 1375 is a lot size, so we get 8250. Not much, but then it is good. And then you see, this particular setup has the ability to tell you, these are all health meters, right? This YOLO and this one is health meter. So health meter continuously on a running market says what is your health. Now at a daily time frame, your trend is not so good, and it is in the in the daily time frame, it is negative to negative to flat. So these are the numbers that are being shown here. Okay, and these are the things we teach it in our document, and how to use this software and interpret. And this particular trend, this changes color. Why? This is, when it is YOLO, it is sideways, and trend will change. Okay, this is a sideways trend. Now if you look at it has a category of extremely bullish, bearish, and extremely bearish. Okay, so therefore, exactly in the running market, you get the get the health meter, like once you ride a car, you have speedometer and other things to really give you the information. This is Ichimoku cloud is green. Price is above Ichimoku cloud, above the resistance. So there is nothing to worry about. Once it crosses this line of 580-850, again it will start blasting. Okay, so therefore, this is a previous what is the condition of the previous day? Previous day was 601 was the high, so it is below previous day's high and low. So that's you don't have to do anything. Once you get experience, then automatically you see the health meter and find out what kind of trade I'm going to do. Is this a false signal or not? So all these things you will get. You see, if I use here, you will get a small Heikin-Ashi change. If I take it here, so basically 2G. So the trend has turned from red to green. 2G mane red to green, and 2R mane red to red, green to red. This is how it is coded. So automatically here Heikin-Ashi has changed. It has become positive and all those. So negativity has gone. So therefore, when the world was actually going on the other side, we have taken the opposite trade and we make money. This is the power of this entire setup, and this is the mother of all setup. So if you go to any kind of stock, if you go to you can go to Bank Nifty. If you look at this, what this setup is saying, Bank Nifty was bearish in the morning, And then what this setup is saying, now here also it has got 2G, so you could have taken a very small one lot of Bank Nifty options, and then you could have become a king from here. From this particular level, Ichimoku has actually is showing a change, and that this is advance signal that has changed, that the price is above Kumo. We could have that time Nifty was Bank Nifty was 33,828, and what height it has reached, 33,828 to 34,446. So therefore here you have got 700-800 points of Bank Nifty, and 700-800 points is to 25 lot size. It is cheap. So these are the things you can do for option trading as well. So dear friends, আপনারা যদি এই সফটওয়্যারে সামিল হতে চান, but if you want to take this software or part of our stock show family, আমার mobile number and email is there in the you can see this mobile number and email, and you can always call me. And if you are interested to take this course, the course details are also attached in the video, and you can consult me and make your fortune. এটার জন্য কোনো নলেজ লাগে না, খালি ভিজুয়ালি লাল গ্রিন ব্লু দেখলেই হয়ে যায়. And believe it, this is a super advanced stuff. Both these stuffs are super advanced stuff. Without knowledge, stock market trade kora possible. Okay, so that's all from my side. This is CA Sarup Ghosh from Stock Show Date. Bye bye.